In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the University of Kent staff have come together to support those fantastic care workers in our local community by manufacturing 3D printed face shields.
Hi, I'm Kevin, the Kent School of Architecture and Planning Workshop Supervisor.
Hello, my name's Andy Bookman. I work as a Senior Technician at the School of Engineering and Digital Arts at the University of Kent.
Hi, I'm Colin. I'm a Senior Technician at the Kent School of Architecture and Planning.
I'm Dr. Dan Knox. I'm a Senior Technician for the School of Computing.
Hi, I'm Mark Weedon, a Senior Computing Fellow from the School of Computing.
Hello, my name is Antonio Mendoza. I am a Specialist Support Technician.
Hello, my name is Ryan Morrow. I am Mechanical Engineering Officer for the School of Engineering and Digital Arts.
Hello, I'm Paul Sinnott, the Director of IT and Technical Services for the School of Engineering and Digital Arts. Working with organisations and individuals in the NHS, care homes and hospices, we have donated thousands of protective shields to frontline care, helping protect individuals against this terrible disease. Using specialist 3D printing technologies, technicians have worked alongside clinicians to design a prototype 3D printed mask that can be made at the University of Kent.
This is a mini print farm of Ultimaker 3D printers. We have another farm containing Prusa printers at a different location. Each machine can produce around 30 headbands per 24 hours and only needs an operator to come twice a day to it. We print a total of 10 headbands per machine during working hours and then another 20 headbands overnight.
The cleaned and bagged 3D printed frames are brought here to the workshop where Colin Cresser and I make the screens, add the elastic, then assemble and package the PPE for delivery. Completed packages are then stored, awaiting collection by those that need them.
We have been supported by donations from local charities, colleagues and large organisations, including Santander Bank. Together we hope we can make a difference and join the thousands of others in supporting our local community.